Hey everybody, it's Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about the header navigation and specifically your folders that you put in your header navigation drop-down menus, and how one of the things that Squarespace has never really changed. It's kind of weird, but the in your header navigation, if you have a folder, it doesn't look any different than the header navigation for any other page. So it's hard to tell without hovering over it that there's more items underneath that item in the header navigation. So we're going to fix this with a little bit of CSS to give us an arrow, a down arrow beside the title of the drop down menu, and to indicate that there's more items below if once you hover over it. So let's jump right into it. Let's head over to my screen and I'll show you step by step how to do this. Okay, so we're going to do this with a little bit of CSS. And as you can see here, like the only way that you can't tell that I have a folder in my header navigation just by looking. Now, when you hover over it, you can tell, but there's no indicator without hovering over that any of these header navigation items are any different than any of the others. So as I said, we're going to do this with a little bit of CSS. And to get there, you can go one of two ways. You can either go pages and then down to website tools and then custom CSS, or you can simply just click on the / on your keyboard, same key as the question mark, and then just type in CSS and it takes you over to the same place. And so I'm going to include this code. I'm just going to paste it in here and then I'm going to explain it to you, but I'll include this code in the description below below the video here and for you to be able to have, but I'm just going to paste it in there. So Command V to paste it in there. I had it on my clipboard already. And so you see here, this is the selector. So what this is telling is that any of these items in the header navigation that are a navigation folder after the title right there, the content that you're going to have is this down arrow symbol that I got off of the MacBook keyboard symbol or symbol keyboard that I have on there. Anyhow, it'll be included in the code that I provide in the video description, but that's all there is to it though. You see now you have an indicator arrow there and you don't have to hover over it to be able to tell. So and if you found that helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.